Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're here to assist you in converting 17 gallons to liters. First, let's recall the conversion factor. 1 gallon equals approximately 3.78541 liters. To convert gallons to liters, simply multiply the number of gallons by this factor. For instance, if you have 17 gallons of water to convert, multiply 17 by 3.78541 to get approximately 64.35297 liters. That's it. Your 17 gallons of water equal around 64.35297 liters. But what if you want to convert 17 liters of milk into gallons? Easy. To convert liters to gallons, divide the number of liters by the conversion factor of 3.78541. Suppose you have 17 liters of milk. Dividing by 3.78541 gives approximately 4.49065 gallons. Remember to round to the nearest hundredth, so your final answer is approximately 4.49 gallons. And there you have it. Converting 17 gallons to liters and vice versa is straightforward once you grasp the conversion factor. With practice, you'll become proficient at switching between gallons and liters. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to hit the like button. For more conversion tips, subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.